G'day, my name is Ian Castle, your Aussie vocal coach, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to sing a phrase. This is lesson 3 of my Learn How to Sing series for beginner singers. If you haven't seen the previous videos, I will add a link up here to the playlist. And if you want to be notified when I've uploaded a new lesson or vocal workout, consider subscribing. So, what is a phrase? It's basically a group of notes combined with a rhythm. In video 2, we worked on applying your vocal tone to a series of notes, but each note had the same rhythm or steady beat, like this. Ma. When you are singing a song, you will find that the melody, the vocal line, will have notes that constantly change in both pitch and their length or the amount of time you hold each note. Here's an example for you. I'm going to sing a 5-note scale 3 times, and each scale will have a different rhythm. Here's the first one. Ma. Now the second one. Ma. And the third one. Ma. Changing up the rhythm creates more interest in a phrase. It gives a melody movement and life. I'm going to take you through an exercise to help you develop some agility in your voice. This is what it sounds like. Ma, ma. You should recognize the notes from the exercise in lesson 2. In this exercise, you are applying a different rhythm. I will start the exercise and then play it 3 times on the piano for you to practice. Here we go. Ma, ma. Your turn. And again. And one more time. You've just applied vocal tone, pitch and rhythm to sing a phrase. All we need to do now is add some words because ma, it's not very inspiring. How about this? I would love to learn how to sing. A #1 hit for sure, right? In the next lesson, video 4, we are going to work on singing larger intervals, the distance between the notes that you sing. Spend some time practicing the exercises in the series so far, and I'll be back soon to help you in your singing journey. Bye for now.